Okay, folks, and finally, last part of the language arts practice test is going to deal with discounts for student skaters. Okay, but like I say, for time's sake, we'll go ahead and read the questions because the sentences will be in the questions. "39 says, I am writing you today to try and convince you to provide a discount for students wanting to buy one of your helmets. What is the best revision of the underlined portion of sentence 1? A, try and hopefully convince. B, try to convince. C, trying to convince. Or D, try, convince. I give you a few seconds. The answer you should have selected is B. You today to try to convince you to provide a discount for students. Try and convince are verbs. Well, with that word and is not in correct verb form or usage. Removing this word and adding the word to makes that a correct verb usage. Okay, 40. A growing number of states across the country, including California and New Jersey, you can probably already tell if you know your capitalization rule, have passed laws that require people who use inline skates and skateboards to wear a helmet. Which correction should be made to sentence 2? Change a growing number of states to a growing number, states. B, change country, including to country, including. C, change California and New Jersey to California and New Jersey. Or D, change people who use to people that use. Well, I already gave you a clue. Know your capitalization rule. So the answer has to be what? C. Because New Jersey is the name of a state. And of course, you know, states need to be capitalized. That's the capitalization rule. 41. Sentence 5 says, learning how to ride a skate or inline skates are similar to learning how to ride a bicycle. Which correction should be made to sentence 5? Change learning how to learn how. B, change skateboard or to skateboard, or. C, change are to is. Or D, change similar to a lot like. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay. The answer you should have chosen is letter C. Change are to is because the word learning is a singular noun. So, remember your subject-verb agreement. A singular noun has to pair up with a singular verb. And is a singular verb. Okay, 42. Sentence says that knees and elbows are usually the first to get scraped up. They typically heal quickly. An effective revision of sentence 7 would begin with which of the following words? A, usually, needs. B, moreover, needs. C, while needs. Or D, nothing that needs. Well, you can already tell that D, just by the sound of it, can't work. So is it A, B, or C? I give you a few seconds. The answer you should have selected is letter C. While needs are usually the first to get scraped, they typically heal quickly. Now, 43. Okay. Sentence 8 says, likewise, head injuries are more severe. They can even prove deadly. Which is the best way to revise the underlying portion of sentence 8? A, and additionally, head injuries. B, however, head injuries. C, similarly, head injuries. Or D, considering that head injuries are more severe. I'll give you a few seconds. The answer you should have selected is letter B. Because remember back in sentence 7, it says, while knees are usually the first to get scraped up, they typically heal quickly. However, head injuries are more severe. They can be even proved deadly. Do you see the transition from comparison of knees to head injuries? And then finally, number 44. Even a low-speed fall can do considerable damage. Fall can do damage. Subject verb. And the head has to be protected. Head has protected. Subject verb. And the right helmet, hopefully purchased from your store, can do. Helmet can do. I have 3 independent clauses or in 3 independent sentences all crammed together. Which of the following would be the best way to revise that sentence? Change the dashes to commas? Nope. B, split it into 2 sentences? C, change the comma to semicolons? Or D, remove the first clause? The answer you should have selected is B. Split those 3 sentences into 2 sentences. Okay, folks, and that concludes the four-part series of language arts practice tests. So I hope you learned a lot today, and from the 4 parts. And like I said, there are awesome websites you can go to learn more about English, learn more about grammar. You can go to IXL website, or you can go to Reading Horizons, or you can also go to KET or the HICEP Academy. So take care, stay safe, and be well. And the next time with these video lessons, we're going to be doing math. Well, I know you gotta love math. Math is superb. It really is superb. So have a great evening and take care.